Welcome back friends, and in this tutorial I'm going to cover a very important topic, that is mobile is not getting on, black screen is coming in Samsung. What will you do? In that case I'm going to quickly tell you 3-4 things which you may apply and your mobile maybe get rectified. So what that things are I'm going to cover in this video, but before proceeding further I would like to request you to kindly subscribe this channel. So first thing I wanted to tell you that force restart of the mobile. Force restart means power on button, this button, and volume minus this. Both keys must be pressed simultaneously for at least 7-8 seconds until this logo comes, and then release. After that, if that is happening, your mobile will be okay and it will get on. But if it is not happening, then what you need to do I will cover. If it is not happening, then let me first switch off this mobile, after that I will tell you. So now it is off. Then there might be a possibility of loose connections, means the mobile has been dropped by you or by any accidental circumstances. Something might be there, loose connection must be there. So to rectify that, just externally what you can do, just two things you can do. First, tap on the every part of display like that, holding tight, and then tapping on, and then tap on the back part, every part like that, and then pressing hard from bottom to top, and then top to bottom, and then right to left, left to right, like that, covering every part of your display and back display, especially the region nearby this power on switch, that there might be any connector which may lose. So connections are not proper, connection may not be proper, they resulting into the problem. So after doing that, just again force restart the mobile, means power on, then negative key until this sequence logo comes. Force restart the mobile. If it is getting on, then it is okay, now your problem has solved. But if it is not getting on, then third possibility, listen very carefully, power on plus volume up key. Now this will boot your mobile into boot zone, means here you have an option of reset. So with the volume minus key you can come down, and volume up key you can come up. The first option is reboot system now. Then with the help of power on key, select it and it will be reboot. There might be a possibility that your phone is now will now get on, and it will be okay. But if it is not okay, then what you will do, you will, before going to the repair shop, put your mobile into deep refrigeration for at least 30 minutes. After that, take out the mobile and then force restart the mobile by pressing volume down key and power on key simultaneously. Hopefully your mobile should work. But if it is not working, then please go to the mobile repair shop for repairing your mobile. Some hardware issue must be there. So that's all about today's tutorial. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much guys.